Hi guys, welcome to the next video in this course and certainly the second to last video. My voice is almost gone. But anyways, thank God we're done and it's going to be on something very simple, our end logo animation. So kudos to you for making it to the very last scene of this project, okay? So to further show that this brand is nutritious and credible, we have to add two logos. Okay, remember everything you're trying to do is to convince someone that is viewing that this is legit. Okay, this has great taste. Okay, this is credible. So we are going to add two logos. So first is the logo 100% natural. Okay, that's to show that there are no additional sugars or it won't be harmful. Okay, you want to showcase things like that. Those are eye catchy things that you want to help the brand to showcase. Okay, because that is a selling point. And another thing we are going to add, and that logo we are going to add is the NAFDAC logo. Okay, so NAFDAC is an agency that controls and administers food and drugs here in Nigeria. Okay, you might have a different name right in your country. Okay, but for us Nigerians, it is NAFDAC. Okay, so having NAFDAC logo appear there, it is going to show how credible Bina is. Okay, so we want to add that so people do not just think that it just came from nowhere. Maybe the ingredients that were used were maybe are bad or harmful. So it shows that it is a credible brand. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to import the logo. So the good thing is that the two logos are in one. Okay, they are in one, so that will not be a very difficult thing to do. It's not that we're going to work on them separately. Okay, everything we are going to do is just centered on one. So we're going to check the image, and I think it is titled end logo png. Okay, end logo and the png file. Okay, so I want to put it in our image file. So these are like our third image we have in this project. Okay, or fourth image rather. So what we want to do is that once this is out of the way, once our bina the three fruit juice is out of the way and our rotation is done, we want this to be fading to white. If you remember, we have we have our orange background. It has always been here. We started using it from when we had our orange flavor display and when it was having a text. So we had it here for a while. So we want to change it to white. We want it to gradually fade out to white. And you know why? Because at least it has to look as if something is changing. The scene has changed. Okay, I've told you guys before. So you have to use every possible means to get your audience to know that yes, you are in another scene right now. Okay, so you see, so it's gone. It's now changed to white, our initial background. Okay, so what we want to do is to now add our end logo. Like I said, this will not take much time. Okay, so I'll likely take it to the top. Okay, okay. To make this fun, you can add your own. Most of you can work on this. You can just work on these two logos on Photoshop, mix them together, set them to PNG. So you can just add what your the agency that is responsible for administering food in your country, right there in your country. You can just add their logo to this 100% natural. Okay, you can add it. So as soon as this is gone, this is going to fade in. So fading in is just easy. Okay, you know how to do that already. So let us do that. So we are going to use an opacity. Okay, so first of all, it's going to fade out. Then to start, make sure it's at 0. Okay, always watch when you see it has come back to 1. So always watch this. Then it fades in, then it lasts for a while, then it fades out. Let's be sure of the timing. Okay, so I'm going to check final project because you have to leave it for a sensible amount of time so that people can get to see it. Okay, I think it's about 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I think it's about 3 seconds. It's about 3 seconds. So let's let it last for 3 seconds. Okay. So it lasts for 3 seconds, then it starts fading out. So add opacity. Now we don't need to add, have to add speed graph. Okay. Just have to let it fade. So for the last time, let's watch what we did. Okay, we're gonna watch it from the beginning, but you see, do you think we should add a zoom effect to this? Okay, let's add a zoom effect to make it more interesting. Okay, so I'm going outside the script now. I just feel we should add a zoom effect to it. Should just be zooming gradually. Okay. Okay, so let's see what it does to it. So let's zoom this stuff in. Okay, because motion graphics, you have to get things moving. Get things moving. That's one way to make your work interesting. Just get things moving. Get them moving. Okay. Nothing should be idle. Almost nothing should be idle. Okay. So you see, it's zooming in. I think the speed is still slow, so we can increase this more. Okay. Let's set this to zoom in so it snaps into your keyframe because you are trying to modify it. So you have to, okay. Okay, so let's watch what we have here. Let's see if it is better. Okay, so we have NavDAC. I think it is better. It does not have to be very pronounced, but we all know that it is zooming in. So that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it for the text. Okay. Okay. So let us see what we have. What we have. First of all, before we see what we have, just clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. If you followed through, no matter how many times you reverse the video. So first of all, I'm going to save before we get to watch it finally. So we have this and okay, Zabina comes up. Our animation is so seamless. It's just as if we are not moving from one scene to another because of the way we structured our animation. Okay. So they are just glued. They are just glued. You see another text already coming. So before you get used to it, something else will just show up. So that's what animation is all about. One thing I'll tell you, keep things moving, keep things moving. Okay, just a little animation. Just see what we did. Okay, I have to tell you something. For this stroke of this our circle, I had to increase it. Okay, I had to reduce the spacing between the breaks. Okay, I know we didn't do that time, but I had to do it to make it more better. I think we should begin again. If you admire your animation too much, you might just get end up playing it over and over again and over and over. So so it gets here and it zooms out. It's IC code. Then our logo appears. So you see, even what we've worked on is more interesting than the reference we had. So most times when you work on your project, time and time again, it gets better. Okay, because you begin to see some certain errors. Okay, so I believe this is better off. This is better off. So it's been a nice one. It's been a nice one. So imagine what can spring out from what you've gotten from this course. It is limitless. Okay, it is limitless. You can go as far as more than this, more than this. Your animation does not have to be too complex, 3Ds everywhere. But one important thing is that you send the the message, okay, that the brand wants to send out. Okay, you get people to fancy the products. I think that is one important thing. I get to show that they are credible. Okay, so that's it. So that is for this course. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'll miss you guys. I'm going to miss you guys. It's been a wonderful time. Really, it's been a challenging time for me too, because it took a lot to put this out there. So one thing you want to do, this course has been offered freely. Okay. For those of you that got your course file, nice one, you just supported us. Nice one. But for those of you that were not able to get your course file, I understand. I understand also. So if you can still get it, you get it and just rehearse and get things done, okay? But for those persons that were not able to still get it, um, I think one thing you can do is to share this course, share the video. You have to subscribe to this channel, share this video, watch our previous video. They would help you to straighten your design journey, okay? So that is what you want to do. Number two is that reach out to me. I'm not very far away. Reach out to me on social media. I reply very, very fast. Very fast. I like to see people grow. Okay. And anything that you don't get here, reach out to me on social media and I'll be there. Okay. To answer you. And don't go. We have our bonus video that is going to usher you into the world of motion graphics, how you can get a job, things like that, how you can get yourself to be more acquainted with the industry. Okay, well, where do you go from here? So we're going to get our other question answered. Okay, so it's a wrap for me. Kudos to you guys. If you saw me now, I'll be giving you I'll be giving you kudos right now, but just that you can see my hands. But I promise to give you on the next video. You're gonna see my hands on the next video. Okay, so it's a wrap. So bye. So see you on the next video.